Hello. UPS has just delivered me a parcel, and this is from Apple. So let's get in there and open it up. Wow. Well, this is the new MacBook Air 13-inch M2 chip, and comes in a nice white box wrapped in cellophane with a side profile image of the laptop, looking thin and sleek. Okay, so let's open the box. Well, they really are beautifully packaged, these laptops. And there's the device itself. Let's put that to one side for a moment. In here, paperwork. 35-watt charging block. And this will give the game away slightly. But the MagSafe charging cable is color-coded to the laptop. These days the MacBook Air comes with 4 choices of color, and this one is going to be for my daughter, and I have chosen midnight color for her, and here it is. Wow, how nice. We open it and immediately it starts to boot. So I'll take the screen protector off and we'll get it set up for her. This one is the 8 GB of RAM version with a 512 GB solid state drive. The liquid retina display is 13.6 inches, and for the technical, it's an 8-core CPU and a 16-core GPU. There are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports as well as the MagSafe charging port. Keyboard is backlit. The trackpad is a little bit smaller than I'm used to. I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro and it is rather larger. Anyway, let's get her set up and then I'll wrap it up for her as her birthday present.